If you see this bag at the front like this, then you know what it means. I am moving, because I am a nomad. Nomad means move. So it's time to leave Barbados. We are headed to St Kitts. UK is behind me with her big suitcase. I'm hiding her. She's there somewhere. So we're going to St Kitts, where there is sugar mass. They are carnival, so I'm very excited for that. It's been a hassle finding a place to stay last minute, but we got one for tonight, and we are hoping at least tonight we get a place, and then tomorrow we find our way. But I'll keep you updated. But Barbados has been good, has been nice. There has been ups and downs, obvious, like any travel, but largely I've really enjoyed myself here. So let's go to St Kitts. So there are two ways to get to the airport. We can get one of these small vans like this one that goes to a place called Oistins, and from there we get one to the airport, or we can wait for the main bus that passes through here all the way from the other side to the airport, from Speightstown to the airport. That's the one we're trying to get, because they should have left 15 minutes ago, so it should be here soon. Otherwise we do two of them. Easy peasy. So the direct bus from Speightstown to the airport didn't come at 1, so instead you just get a bus to Oistins, no matter where you are on that side of the Bridgetown, and then there you get another van to come to the airport, and it drops you at the same place. Alright, so we are done checking in. Seamless. Usual question is always if you've got a return flight or a forward flight. So you show them and you're in. It's a very big airport. Very busy. We're in St Kitts. Well, it's official. There were no questions asked, literally only the serial number for the online form. No questions asked about the reason why or anything like that. She just stamped me for 1 month, and I'm here for way less days. So yes, so welcome officially to my country number 49. Welcome to St Kitts and Nevis. It's like 8 minutes from here.
Like,
Do you know how we'll get the taxi?
We only got to St Kitts at night, which I don't usually like, but sometimes it's inevitable. And while Yuki and I were wondering where to get an official taxi, one of the passengers from our plane told us that the best way to move around St Kitts is have this number of a company that brings a taxi to where we are. And she actually asked us to share hers, where we would drop her off on the way and then proceed to where we were going. Because of Sugar Mass, the streets were still pretty lit and people were still outside. And we got ourselves some KFC for dinner and proceeded to our place for the night. It was only until the following morning when we woke up that we got the best surprise ever. This was the most unexpected thing. I don't know what I thought St. Kitts would be like, but this wasn't it, and I am so here for it.
Wow, this is beautiful. And this was my view in the morning. Oh, there's a beach over there. This is a view I woke up to. Imagine that. Welcome to St. Kitts. This country is so beautiful.
It is.
I mean, I've been to the other Caribbean islands and they're also very beautiful.
Yeah.
There's something about this. Oh my god. St. Kitts and Nevis, everyone. It's very beautiful. Wow. We are currently at the resort area. It's called Frigate Bay, and I think it's the, you know, the nice side of town, and it feels nice. The houses, the resorts, the mountains, the sea. So this place is so good that you can pay with bitcoins. Bitcoin Cash. St. Kitts to me sounds like a dream or something, because I've only ever known it in the context of having like selling passports and people coming getting the passports so that they can travel more and better and stuff like that. So it's never sounded like a real country to me. And now that we landed at a resorty, very bougie area, it actually just feels still a dream. It looks like a dream too. Look at that. The lake, the mountains. So, having breakfast by the beach. I chose an Irish burrito simply because it was there. So it's not exactly a St. Kittian. How would you say St. Kitts Kittian?
Like
Kittian. St. Kittian meal, but we are at a very resorty, touristy place, so we are probably only gonna get something very St. Kittian on the other side of town. So Irish burrito it is. Like this. This is so beautiful. St. Kitts is amazing. So this place is actually called Potato Bay. somewhere there is called Potato Bay. But this place specifically is Frigate Bay. That's the name of the area, and I think the bay is also called that. Plus it has black sand, and because it's mountainous, this is the first beach you're going to in St. Kitts, and it's lovely, it's amazing. We have somewhere to go, so we cannot go in, but we really want to. It's so clear, blue, beautiful, and my personal favorite, it has mountains behind. Like, this is just my perfect view, and there's a lake just there as well. St. Kitts, it's amazing. Oh my god, this place is amazing. I will be back. Okay, maybe not this ocean specifically, but I'm definitely getting to the ocean here at some point. Oh my lord. And the water is so calm, so even swimming would be so nice here.
Oh, yeah, it's really beautiful.
You just ran 2 seconds. Let's keep going. This is how you tackle a hill. I'm done. We really tried. See, if we were still walking the way we were walking, we'll still be by that second post. Oh, the views.
So we walked around a little bit in this area and then went back to our lovely home for the day, just in time to experience a really beautiful sunset.
Oh my god, are you okay? Look at how beautiful it is. Did it become more beautiful? Ah, look at that sunset. Oh, I could almost stay here forever. If you guys sponsor me, I might. You can expect it's not exactly cheap. Look at how the sun rays are hitting the mountains and the flowers and the clouds. Ah, this place is just magical. So honestly, St. Kitts has been amazing so far, very unexpected, but we are in the like beautiful side, the bay side. The ocean gets blue and blue. The more you look at it, it's amazing. Look at that. I honestly can live here where I'm standing and just have that view every day. But today we are moving to the north side and gonna see how that looks like. So yay, excited. But I'm very excited about St. Kitts. Can't wait to show you more on it, more different sides, more beautiful sides, and more historical sites too. And the Grand Parade all coming up, so stay tuned.